What's up guys, Chef Shavai here, back with another cooking video. Today we are making apple crisp and let's get right into the video. By the way, this is my little cousin Porshi. She's going to be helping us today. Say hi.
Hello.
Now here are the ingredients.
6 apples.
A teaspoon of lime juice, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, a stick of butter, 1/2 cup of oats, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of water, 8 by 8 glass dish. First step is to wash your hands. Next, heat the oven to 375 degrees. Coat the bottom and the sides of the pan with olive oil. Peel and cut the apples into slices. Now, cut the butter into 5 pieces. Separate 2 tablespoons of flour into another bowl. Now add the butter, the oats, the brown sugar, half the cinnamon, half of it, so that would be about this.
How about me?
And the flour, not the 2 tablespoons flour, but the regular other flour. Mix until it's crumbly. Portia, you want to help me mix?
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Next, separate the first mixture into a different bowl. Then use the bigger bowl and add the apples, the flour, the rest of the cinnamon, and the sugar, salt, and lemon juice. Now, mix. These apples look a little too much for the 8 by 8 dish, so I'm going to use 2 platters. Now, add the apples equally into each pot. Now, crumble the other mixture over the apples and bake for 35 minutes. There you have it, apple crisp.